Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, English 2018, question number 10. In each of the questions 4 to 13, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or words or phrase in italics. He is loved for his altruism. A. Benevolence. B. Sincerity. C. Selfishness. D. Selflessness. So the underlined word is altruism. So which of the following option is opposite in meaning to the word altruism? Now, for us to be able to answer this, we'll need to know the definitions of the various words that are involved. So let's take a look at the first one. We'll talk about altruism. What does altruism mean? Altruism simply means regard for others. That's the meaning of altruism. That means you don't care for just yourself, you care for every other person. That is altruism. So now we look at benevolence. Benevolence is a disposition to do good, the state or that disposition that makes you always want to do good to people. So you can see that it has something similar to altruism, but though two of them are not exactly the same thing. So disposition to do good is benevolence, so it cannot be the opposite of altruism. Now we look at sincerity. Sincerity is the state or quality of being sincere, and being sincere simply means being truthful. So that's quality or state of being sincere. That is what sincerity is, or being truthful. You're sincere. When somebody says you're sincere, that means you're truthful. Now, selfishness. What is selfishness? That quality of being selfish, or thinking about, having no regard for others, or thinking about yourself alone. So selfishness, you always have regard or more concerned. You are more concerned with yourself, or with one is more concerned with oneself. That's selfishness. I think that's the direct opposite of altruism, which is regard for others. So it's either you're concerned for yourself or you have regards for others. So that makes option C the right answer, even before I get to D. Selflessness also means altruism in some ways, because you care about other people. You don't really care much about yourself, so you're also concerned about others when you're selfless. So altruism is regard for others, you're concerned for others. So the opposite for that is when you care for yourself alone, which is selfishness. So that makes option C the right answer for these, and that's what we're picking. Thank you.